Hello everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. So we were with charts, right? So let's keep on coding some charts and then let's see. So yeah, we have applied the label across with object. A rule. So there is something called as rule mark. So what you can do that is you can just add some. So a rule is basically a line in which you can apply a line style. You can just customize it though. So let's have a rule mark and then have y and end. Mm. A chart content that represents digital using a single horizontal or vertical. So depending on how, well, let's have a this vertical is this is along x, right? Um. So how much height it has to be? So I kind of get this y and then value and then associate something, right? So this is goal and then so this is basically from here how much, and now this is spreading throughout. So you do lot line style and then let's add like, oh, I need that one which has the dash. This is line width, line gap. Now what I need is first is dash something. There is one parameter dash. Okay, let's give it a width of say something like 2. Let's have a dash. This is an array, right? So you mention an array and then write say 1 2. So is this 1 2 3 4 5 6 9 10 11? What does this dash do? Does it create that many dashes or what if I increase this? Oh, is that yeah, I guess it's dealing with the spacing. If you have 0 spaces then you have 1. So that is an array because yeah, that won't come. So if I have 12, so count the spaces. So 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9 10 11. This is 13 though. This is, and how much is 10? How much is 9? No, how much is 9? Yeah, it's so that spacing and this is getting reduced. If you see, this is, I have that many. This is an array because it's occupying all of them and then it's going into the spaces. Okay. Where is, yeah. And let's have something like an annotation. So what does annotation is kind of give it an annotation, and then let's position it at the bottom. This bottom. Now, okay. No, okay, then let's like a text inside this. Text. Where is this coming? If you see, let's get rid of this thing. So it's coming in here, right? And it's not taking anything. So let's say hi. Now, okay, so this is below. If I take it up, yeah, it could go up. Now the printing is starting. This is the left to right, right? So I need it aligned over here. So if I do that, this is going to be bottom under alignment. So leading is starting, I guess. Yeah, it's coming here. This is how this is getting printed, right? And then trailing is going to be at the end. Okay. And what if I need, oh, you can have multiple annotations, right? You can just, so then now what I do if I need something, you kind of give it an annotation. But this has to be on top, so you give it a position. Let this go on the so then yeah, I haven't given it a text. Let's give it a text first. So this is so that POSI it's going there, and then this is trailing, right? Let this be leading, and then I buy it's it's giving some text though. It's on top, and alignment. So yeah, let it be center aligned. So what if I do it? So if this is leading, it has to be at the end, right? You go and say trailing, and then the spacing has to be 0. But then some text is getting omitted. I don't know why. It's yeah, that is something we need to see. My line width is the dash is 8, right? So let's make this to say 0, and that is at the end. The spacing is something we need to check. Yeah, you can figure that thing out. I guess that's not a big deal. Then I have rule mark. So what I can do is I can have a chart based on this. You can have a rule mark chart as well. Okay, that's labels already discussed. Oh, you can have in dates as well. So for comparing, you can use line mark. Uh, the way line mark is, I need to plot in. So if I'm comparing, I need to loop it over both, right? Both simultaneous plots. So I yeah, so one is for that plots one, and then okay, let's go in data, and then this let this be as part info one. So then we need to change here as well. This will be part info one, part info one. This is oh no, this is one. Yeah. So let this be as one as an similar to this. I'm going to have another struct. So we do C, and then yeah, so you do shift. I kind of change this to yes. So now just highlight this portion. Okay, so that's this way to cannot convert values. Expect oh yeah. So now you come here. This return time has to change. This way. Oh my! I guess my screen might be turned off. Wait. Uh, oh, it's not turned off. Good. One turns it off. I don't know. Oh, good audio is selected. Sometimes it's yeah hotkeys, and this is okay. So now you come back to content. So this has to be one. Similarly, you kind of do another thing. So you have a state. You do and then you have data to equal to. Remember that is static, right? You report info to, and then this is such data unknown. Oh, so let this be. So I've already given that unique thing. So get rid of this, and then let's yeah for each. What's voice gaps? For each they mention the tribal sequence. So I had data. Then just get this thing here, I guess. No, this is where is this ending? Okay, so yeah, this has to be here. Type as this. Now let's get rid of the rule mark. Let's only have a line. And this is done. This is, and then now let's have another for each. So I say for each, and then this is data 2, and this is the same. is not second of cannot find. Oh, let's get rid of this then. Yeah, it's not properly arranged. Let's make it a little bit thinner so that this is 10. Let's play with the data a little bit. This is like make this like 32. This has to be no. Let's come back. Let's see now how it prints it out. I have a line. Why is it taking time? Let's run this. Yeah, it's somewhat this way. I don't know why. Oh, I did do a line mark. Yeah, it might take something to get this. So, oh, both the x's coinciding, he's trying to say. So this is again data.x. Yeah. Mm, so plot 50, 35, 75, 65. Let's. It's okay. You can see how you can compare now. So then you can have some. The comparison can be done based on groups as well. Then you can customize this line mark. You can do different things. Okay, let's go. Line mark interpolation. You can have a card in. Now bar marks stacking. You can stack. Okay, so what's this group info now? I have one. I have group. I have just an additional parameter that says group, and then when I do stacking, yes, that is the data that is coming in. It's there's just one additional parameter. No, sorry, one additional property. In structures, it's properties. In functions, it's parameter. By stacking, what is it trying to do? Does he have two bars? But how is he getting two bars stacked? So that data has something. Let me see what the data is. What is he stacking on? I don't know. This is groups, and then there's something more to it. Wait, I have point mark. No. I was searching what that uh, is. That is a. This is line mark. So this group info is here. Now this has oh, 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 oh. This is this is X, Y, and then group. Oh, I have repeated data, then I can do that. Let's I got what is it wants. Previously that was same color. Also, you know why there was something where we were saying why can't we see the three graphs? We can actually get them stacked. So you go here and then create a just do a control C. Control V here. And then of different size. What is it trying to say? My keyboard is not shift. Yeah, it kind of lags. Anyway, no, I need. No, what I want to do is instead of just do and this size that to get that effect good. Have it like 75, 25 something. So that I can get that 75. 35 will also be good. And then now there's a modifier called as stacking. And then you kind of stack it. Yeah, you do a stacking. Okay, so come to content view. I don't have a line here now. I have let's get rid of all the code. This much. Yeah, let's get rid of this. Let's have the array in here, so I get that data. And this is data, and then this is data in, and now you kind of have that bar mark. You have two things, right? This is x kind of give it this is value, and then you say give it a label, say category, and then there's one more way to watch. This is data. No, what does dot okay, dot is not an identifier. Anonymous closure arguments cannot be given inside a closure. Let's see, let's have this as data dot x, and how is he getting that? Okay, let's have the y, which is value, and this is say quantity something, and this is directly string, right? Data's dot expected a comma separator. Yeah, you kind of have this comma, but I'm not getting that stacking thing. So now, and then you have inside this, there's one more thing called as stacking, and what I'm doing here is dot x, but this isn't giving me that color. So now this is based on the group. Is having one additional parameter inside, right? Group. So come here. Let's but then I need to add it here as well. So you come here, group, and this is salary string. You come here and then just do a group, and then you kind of give it something red or something. You kind of give it group, and this is set. You have these things same so that comparison can be made. Kind of do group. This is green. Then you come here to group to green. Come here to group. Have a column. Do a green. So now when I'm coming to content view, this is now this is foreground. Now you kind of apply this to this foreground style. What I'm doing is and then based on the group, and then this is consecutive statements on a line must be, this has to be, and then this is smaller. Environmental disclosure requirements cannot be used. Inside a closure that is explicit arguments need to be, oh yeah, let's, but then this is going to, oh yeah, I can do that. So let's have this thing is, oh, inside is not having an argument. This quarter one is becoming blue. Let's get rid of this thing first. Then let's say this. So now what is visible value? So is it green? So red and red. No, let's have a different, right? If it's the same, then it will overlap. So let this be, say, uh, if it's the same thing, then we won't be able to get it. So I've got one as green. No. Does it need I don't think so this is required, but let's have this as a rod. This is going to be based on this is not red, it's let this be red. So what happened was, so let this be red. Let's go to content view. This is by value. And what is the color which is coming on that? I have given up. This is stacking. Even this green is not coming. I don't know. This is this correct? This is 1G, right? And then that's is that making a difference though? No. Why is not getting stacked? So for 1 and 1 only I have 2, 3, 4. There's no stacking as such. Yeah, it should be correct right now. I have dates not X. This category, this is okay. And then this it's not crop foreground styling by value. Stacking. There is something I'm missing, I don't know. Because even if you see the first quantity, first I have 2, right? Quarter 1, I should be getting that half. I don't know why I'm not getting. Can you tell me? Okay, and then there is something that yes did to this is dynamic type size. This is not having any effect. Even if I give it a padding, nothing's going to happen. Padding is going to add spaces around. So this is for Clandestine. This is standard. Use the stacking parameter on the bar mark to specify how you want the bars stacked. So I have a bar mark. No, it's X, Y, getting. I don't think so. This has to be this. Not making any difference though. Is anything changing? No. Foreground style by value. Let's see. What is the problem? Let's see. Where are we missing? I have that grouping variable though. It should be correctly grouped, is he trying to say? I mean, yeah, both are grouped correctly. This is red, this is green, green, green. Even if I get this space removed, I guess so. This is. This shouldn't be causing a problem. Yeah, he's saying this groups has to be a thing. And okay. This is green, green. Each category must trace category multiple bars on top. I don't know. 45 to 45. Am I creating it off plot 1? Maybe. Let's see who's I'm using. Okay, let's plot 1. Still no difference here. Recording is, yeah, it's recording, right? Why? Why is this happening now? Dates, category. They might interfere with tracking. Remove. No, I've removed all modifiers. Without, we don't know how to change the groups. Missing foreground by. I did add this though. It's a in the post. This is going to be a thing, so I'm going to value group. Did I add this thing over here? Yeah, see my this is a foreground style, and then I have. Is a numerical value. If it's a string, the character won't flag. No, it's a value. Is it a value? Let me check in data. Yeah, this is a value. And in fact, this dates. This is a string. This is y. Even the default structure is correct. I don't see that as an issue here. Striking dot standard character data. There is something which is not adding up. I don't know. But obviously, he's getting two things, green and blue. So even if I copy for this data, if I say, let's copy this, and then let's say I have this, like, is it making any difference in my preview though? Where is content? Is it changing anything? In fact, this is come on top. Is it getting overshadowed by something? So he's having 75, 25. I guess let's have this 75 and reopen. Let's have this 75, 25, 50 and 100. So you have this 50 and have this as zero content view. This is 150 plot X. Yeah, ideally that blue thing has to come over there. Whenever you are comparing two line graphs, you have to use foreground style which specifies the property you want to group by. That is smart enough to do the rest. So if I do group by the groups, so yeah, that's what I've done. F quarters and then 75. Maybe let's try something. Get rid of all these things and just get rid of the foreground. I said I don't want this styling to come here. So right now it's this, and then now you do foreground style, and you do my value, and then I don't mention group, and then this has to be dot. Is it? This is a. Oh, I see what's happening here. That is a string or something that's coming. So how I do this? If it's a string, it's directly coming. Is this something that I'm looking at? No. This is some parentheses I missed. So what if I do just do red? What is the string coming in? Yeah, if you want to do that way, you get rid of this Then this won't be there, right? Then you put all the sign and 0, and this is the sign and 0. Dot. It's not giving that effect. I don't know why. He says the structure will be this way. So the structure which he has created is something like this. This is, and then this is data. Oh, he's having in this page itself. Let's see this, whether this works. It kind of. Let's copy everything. Let's get rid of from here to here. Chart. It requires. So he's saying this has to conform to something. This data point is not conforming here, right? I need that. This has to conform to identifiable. And then you need the first thing will be that let id equal to UI. Oh no, that is UID. No, it's still not getting. Oh, now I got this suddenly. I don't know how. So VP. What was the difference between his and mine? Your data's. I have ID. Even then I had ID string. No. Yeah, that was correct. If I go here, I have extra. Let's not initialize it. Just let's. This is string. This is double. And then this is also a string. So then if I come back to content view, so I was using that state variable, right? This is the view, so you come here. Let's give it a state, say. So state private let data equal to. Now I'm going to have plot info dot. Is this the same thing, right? Yeah, data point. Let's this be say data e, and here we pass in data e. Operator cannot be applied. Oh yeah, so this has to be where. No, what's happening? Oh, so have we got it? No, it's changed back. What if we change this? What's the difference between his in group 1? Okay, so let's this. I know. Let's copy this. this thing. So come here. And then dust. So this is here too. Nice. Just check if this much is working or not. So now instead of data window, no. So I'm returning that array itself. This is string, group is also a string. Yeah, this is. What if we say instead of having this return, let's say this is our data, right? But info one, that's data. What is this printing if I do print data? I cannot find type. What happened? This is print. Then that is the same thing. What's yeah? Yeah, plot info and then so our data. That's a state variable. Kind of have this as let's have this as a planet. Cannot find data and scope. Why? The state and then why is this not working? The issue is are the same. We saying change this group, so then it will be like different. So if I have this, then go to content view. Oh, that was nothing. What? No. So I'm grouping based on groups, right? So yeah, that has to be different. It's not the same one. When it's same, then it's kind of overlapping, and so you're not getting that effect. Mm. What is happening? Missing. So what does I need two different groups, right? Group 1 and group 2. If they are already of group 1, then they'll kind of overlap on each other. So it's like X has two categories, category A and category B. That's group 1, group 2. So it's like a tree. X has two things, A and then uh, B, something like that. Okay, so where is my content? So this is category A, and then that further has like one group, and then again that has like another group 2. So group 2 is, yes, oh, group 1 is by blue and this is group 2. Okay, so A has two things, B has another two things. Yeah, so if I make this as group 1, then it, like, you won't be, the color will be the same, right? So you won't be able to say. Okay, that's all for this one. See you guys in the next lecture. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.